Welcome to Lounge. And here with me, here with us, is E Clef Chorus. Tonight we'll be taking you on a journey, a musical journey. Various songs from classicals to movie soundtracks to a whole lot of, groove. Giving you a little bit of what music entails. That yes, we have it here. Happy viewing.
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. In this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, you find there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. Get out. Make a better place for you and for me.
If you want to know why, there's a love that can't lie. Love is strong, he only cares for joy, forgiving. If we try, we shall see. In this place we cannot fear. Fear or dread, we stop at 16 and start living. Then it feels always love's enough for us growing. Make a better world, make a better world. Heal the world,
Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are make a better place for you and for me. And the world we once conceived in will with a joyful face. And the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep struggling life with this earth crucify its soul? Though it's plain to see this world is heavenly, be God's glow.
we could fly so high, let our spirits never die. In my heart, I know you are all my brothers. Create a space with no fear. Together we cry out the tears. See the nations turn their swords into plowshares. And now where we get there, if we care enough for the living, make a little space, make a little space.
Heal the world,
much that we don't understand. And the only thing we know is things don't always go the way we plan. But you see every day that we never thought away. When it seems all your dreams come undone, we will stand by your side, filled with love and filled with pride. We are more than we are one. Family, family, we are one. Family, family, we are one. Family, family, we are one.
Is there so much I must be? Can I still just be me? The way I am. Can I trust in my own heart? Or am I just some part of some big plan?
Even those who are gone are with us as we go on. The journey has only begun. Tears of pain, tears of joy, one thing nothing can destroy is our pride deep inside. We are one. Family, family, we are one. Family, family, we are one. Family, family, we are one. We are one, you and I. We are like the earth and sky. One family under the sun. All the wisdom to live, all the courage that you need, you will find when you see we are one. Family, family, we are
We know Prince of Egypt. This is a song that speaks of hope and belief. A song that teaches and reaches out to everyone who has lost hope and belief. This is a song that preaches belief. Thank you.
Many nights we've prayed with no proof anyone could hear. In our hearts, our whole first song we barely understood. Now we are not afraid, although we know there's much to fear.
Now I'm standing here, my heart's so full, I can't explain. Seeking faith, seeking words, I never thought I'd say. There can be miracles when you believe. It's hard to kill. Who knows what miracles you can achieve when you believe. It's how you live. You will when you Ansugata, Achita, Nasta, Ansugata, Ashira, 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 Adonai, Hinoga, Ashira, Adonai, Hinoga, Mika Mokabaini, Adonai, Mika Mokabaina, Makodesh Nashita, Nasta, Ansugata, Ashira.
If only you just believe, yeah. Close your eyes and come and see now, yeah. Don't you worry about the big now. 'Cause if you work hard, you can get it if you work. If you strive hard, you can get just what you want. If you work hard, you can climb the mountain top. Nothing is too small and nothing is too big. Oh, mi mare funfunene, mara fada loke loke fada. You can be anything. All you gotta do is believe. Just get on what you want and keep on pushing on. Mosherere mayeria moshere. Moshorile rayenia moshorile. What my eyes have seen, yeah. Oh, junti miria, yeah. You can be anything. All you gotta do is believe. Just get on what you want and keep on pushing on. Mosherere la elia, mosherere. Moshorire la elia, moshorire. Ibiti dadi mi ode, mare be matukoja. Ibisi momi mi ode, mare be matukoja. Ori ori mi jowo, ori lana loyo. Ori mi masu.
Many artists from the east, from the north, from the south, that have made up different songs entirely. We know we've taught some, but listen to this love medley and see how much we enjoy our own Afro beats in the little way we can. Thank you.
I don't know, but when it comes to lust, that's for sure. You and I keep on dusting around. Girl, not you, but the one that makes me smile and is true. Now only you give this love a chance to reign. So baby, don't go.
I've fallen in love with you. I've made up my mind for you. No matter the weather, I stay with you. I've fallen in love with you. I have fallen. I've made up my mind for you. Made up my mind. No matter the weather, I go there with you.
I see the sun in your eyes. I see the stars in your eyes. I see the colors of the rainbow in your eyes. So baby, if not play, you they play. Baby, make you stop and sharply. I say make you stop and before you come make best my Would you be my lover? Yes, no, yes, no, yes. Would you be my lover? Yes, no, yes, no, yes. Would you be my lover? Let me know. Yes, no, yes. Would you be my lover? Yes, no, yes, no, yes.
Oh, you make my heart go. Oh, you make my heart go.
Obuzikini kana chano, imana chukwa kosikomo. Oh, yellow you me. What am I looking for? Say my God, you don't mess me up. You give you me. Obuziki fella just ya so. Obuziki fella just ya me. My baby, you know say you go love me. I do go. I will go. When I call your name, Shakara for me.
When I'm looking for trouble, it's 'cause I know that I got you. Only more best everybody, and it's because of your combo. And anytime that I'm out of control, you never
me smile. You could be the only one that make you wanna have a child. You could be the one I take on the day down to be the first and the last girl to become my bride. You could be the one that make a fool of me. You could be the one that be confusing me. You could be the girl in the world that I know through the rough times gonna stay true to me. You could be my Juliet, I may not have his looks, but I will still be your Romeo. You could be my princess, I'll be your charming prince at the service of only you. That's why I never wanna love another woman, that's why I know I never love another woman, that's why I could never love another woman, that's why.
And today, as an Igbo man, it is custom that I must present a song from my tribe. And today, we have a beautiful Igbo folk medley. Just a little to keep you on your feet. Happy for it.
salvation.
Come, let us sing unto the Lord. Let heartily rejoice, rejoice in the strength of our salvation. Come, let us sing, come, let us sing unto the Lord. Come, let us sing unto the Lord. Let us make a joyful noise, and show ourselves loving Him we serve. For the Lord is our great God, our great King above all gods, 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 our great King. Let us come before Him with thanksgiving and show ourselves loving Him with songs. In His presence, all the goodness of the earth and the strength of the hills is His awesome. Sing, and His face, prepare the dry land. Come, let us sing, come, let us sing, let us sing. For the Lord is our great God. Let us sing
Organist here. His name is Sir Jude Ume. He has been the one accompanying us all through this evening. For the last song is For Unto Us a Child is Born. The season of joy, of happiness, of sharing of love. The season when Christ is born. A season we have been waiting for is coming. And so it's important to do a song to usher us into that season. And that is why we have this song from George Frederick Handel, For Unto Us a Child is Born. Thank you.
Unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, unto us a son is given,
Unto us a child is born,
unto us a child is born,
unto us a son is given, unto us a son is given. For unto us a child is born, unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, unto us a son is given, unto us a son is given, a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder.
and the government shall be upon his shoulder.
And the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor,
is home.